Hi, uh, good morning and welcome back. Monica and Geoffroy are now working on homework one, part two. So real quick, I'm going to show that we've got the auto test in action, and by going to the RSpec file, we can change the dessert portion, which is the first part we want to work on. So we remove this, the pending true, including the comma, and here we go. That should do it. And save this, and we should have a whole bunch of tests that fail now.
Yes, I have 7 failures and 4 pending.
7.
Yes.
Okay, your computer is faster than mine, that's for sure. So what does it say? 7 failures.
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, I guess that's a good starting point.
Yeah, okay. The
uh,
auto test. Yes.
we we have a goal. Um, yeah, let's move to Cloud 9 homework
One.
1 and
Dessert.
dessert. Okay. Oops. Let me try once more. Ah, very nice.
Okay, good.
So, so we've got some initialization to do.
Yes. Do you want to start to type or?
Yeah, yeah, that's cool. I'll do that. And yeah, so and come on. Okay. Oops. Let
Maybe
me try
because we
this.
have we have here two folders in the Windows. I still try to open a page in internet. Maybe that.
Um, yeah, I'm afraid I didn't hear you. You said something about opening a page. Calories equals calories. Okay, so did I? Yeah, oh, that's good. So that should take care of the initialization.
Yeah, name and calories.
So do,
I can't see any change in my window. I don't know why.
okay,
Maybe I will close it and open again.
I saved it, but
Yeah,
I think we're probably facing. Here you go. No, is that mine?
there is. So that's the first part to initialize the name and calories for the dessert. The next method will be the healthy question.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
have to,
let's do that one, and then let's do copy and paste um, back into the virtual machine, so we can see that our number of uh, errors, or failing test goes down.
Okay. For me, it was the same.
Okay, well, that's cool.
Yeah, Kevin failure.
Yeah, so it definitely shows that uh, it doesn't, yeah, it doesn't test. Oh, really? It doesn't test anything. It doesn't test having an initialize method. Oh, that's interesting. I would have thought that it would be looking at that.
Yeah, the tests are after to check the methods, the other methods, the calories and the name of the dessert, if that is
Okay.
delicious, if that is healthy.
Okay, so it doesn't test for the initializer. Okay, so let's move forward. Apparently, it cares about having uh, getters and setters. I saw some tests on that, and then it looks like everything else is yeah. So we need to add the accesses. Let's actually, you know what? Let's do that first. Let's add the accesses, and that should reduce the number of failing tests.
Okay. Yes. So can we move to the next?
So if you want, I can jump in. Well, your turn. I mean, yeah. So we've got this, and then from there we add the accesses. What version of accesses are you comfortable with?
I think the the other the attribute accessor,
Hmm.
or do you want to write the reader and writer by separately?
Go ahead. I'll let you. Ah, so that does both at once.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that's good. I didn't recall that syntax.
Did you the healthy method is just to add if that is less than 200 calories. So I only mm,
Okay. Uh-huh.
write the brilliant.
So that's less than 200. Yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, this is so easy, and
Here,
I think delicious is to return also true. So
here I'm
I
not
mean,
sure.
you're probably right.
Should I to write this symbol or not? I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah. I guess you could put it that way. That would mean that you're going directly to the instance variable, or you could probably um, put it without, and it means that you're
Oh,
going through the accessor. Um, so that's a good question. Internally, yeah, obviously it'll make a difference, but that's a good question. I think once you have accessors, you should always use the accessors,
yeah, I think,
especially
yeah.
especially. So let's leave it that way,
Okay.
and we can go ahead and test that. I think that we already added two things. Let's make sure that
Okay.
we go back and check. Ah, very nice.
So here is save it and let's go to the terminal. Okay. Yeah. Now we have only two failures.
Oh, very good.
There is cake. Should be named cake. So there is. We have 400 calories
Yeah.
and should be
Uh,
not healthy. That is what we just did.
yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Well, let's move on. I think we should be able to nail this one pretty easily.
Yeah.
Let me jump in real quick, and
Yeah.
I can change that. Actually, because that returns true. Is that right? Okay, here we go. And let's save that. But I think that would be an easy change to make on your side in the virtual machine, and then we can.
Oh, okay. I'll do it. There is no
So what is
failure.
it? Oh,
Zero.
wow, very nice, very nice.
Okay,
Okay,
for
so
that,
let me
only
ca- let me,
for
let me catch up with you real quick.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Where am I going? It'll take me a minute. Bear with me.
Ah, no problem.
Okay, I just saved the code file. So let me see on my end what happens. Okay, 0 failures. That's fantastic. Let me scroll up to see if I can find. Okay, here we go. Oh, I just went over it. Dessert, all green. Nice. Okay, so let's move
To the
to
jelly bean class.
jelly bean side. So I need to remove. I need to remove. Oh, where did it go?
I think we didn't do. No, there.
All right, here we go. Oh man, where is it? It's just my machine that's so slow. Okay, I found it. Okay, I'm saving it.
Three failures.
Oh, only two? Wow, that should be
Three,
easy.
three.
Piece of cake. Piece of cake,
Yeah.
as they say over here. Oh, I've got three, four actually. Oh yeah, four. Yeah,
You have four?
four.
I have only three.
Oh, you know, I know what it is.
I don't know
Uh,
why.
I added one.
Because there are only three there in where is dessert? Pending, pending, pending. I don't know where the failures are. You can saw it.
No, it's don't worry. It's me. Look, I added yesterday night. I forgot. I added a should be healthy. So that was for bonus points.
Okay.
so, so that's me. So I just thought, hey, you know what? I want to understand the syntax of those RSpec files. So I went ahead and added one. So it was just a test for myself to see how test works.
Okay. Very good. Good learning.
So
Yes.
thank you. So we've got some
Yeah, a jelly bean.
subclassing to do
Yeah.
here. So flavor. Let me write some code now.
Okay, good.
And what we want to do is um, basically do a super. So we call the constructor of our superclass, and the name should be flavor.
Sure, yes.
plus, and, and I think it's just jelly bean.
Jelly bean, yes.
Ah, yeah, and we could say that flavor is passed as a string. But one thought I had was to say, hey, you know what? Flavors, it's a bit like colors. When you say I have red, it's red. There's only one red. When I have vanilla, it's just vanilla. So I was thinking, hey, we could use a symbol to, express that. But, it was just a thought I had about, using a symbol. But anyway, and then the calories is 5, I think. And then we want to make sure that we keep track of this. And I guess that's it for the constructor.
And the calories,
Hmm.
um, where is taken the number 5?
Yes.
I don't realize where is taken the number 5 for calories here. It's because we use type sofa.
Yeah. Yes. You don't see it.
No, I didn't realize
Oh, okay.
because I think I thought that we have to type calories equal to 5.
Oh, why would you do that?
Be- For set the calorie to 5.
Right, but see how this is. This jelly bean is a subclass of dessert.
Okay.
So when I when I'm going to create a new jelly bean, what's
Okay,
going
taken from the initialized method from dessert.
correct, and that's what the super does.
Okay, yeah,
So basically, super says take my and let's do it. Yeah, but we can't inspect. That's a real bummer. Okay. I was just thinking, okay, let's do a quick, and we can probably do jelly bean equals um, jelly bean jelly bean dot new and put a flavor here,
yes,
um,
cherry, yeah,
right? And then I can do put j dot name. Can I do that? Or no, I probably can't do that. I probably need to
mhm,
do something like plus maybe j dot calories, right?
yes, I
And
think
if I run and if I run this, then it's going to tell me.
the name and the calories and the calories.
Oh, come on. So you really have to send a message to this guy to say to string. Right?
Tea jelly bean pie. Yes.
So that's what super does in the constructor with those. It's really up to me to make sure that, of course, I leverage, what's here. But yeah, basically that's it. Does it make sense?
Yes, good. It's very. I was talking. I was thinking about doing in another way, but this is very uh, short. Very. Yeah, it's good.
Hmm.
Very good. So, do you want to test it?
Yeah, I guess that should definitely take out at least one test. I would suspect.
Uh, there is only one failure, or the veteran letter. No. For the lead
And
right? Yeah, we didn't.
Monica,
Yeah,
can you share your screen?
it's not
Thanks.
sure. Okay.
No, no, it does, it does, it does, it does. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, you're good.
Which screen you want to say?
Oh, very nice. So we have just one failure left.
Yeah, this one here.
Okay, what are the requirements now?
And this is modify delicious to return false if the flavor is licorice, but true for all other flavors. The behavior of delicious for non-jelly beans dessert should be unchanged.
Okay. Ooh, so we need get a setter for the flavor. Okay, very, very good. So we've got two things. We've got two more things to do.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me type just so I can get some practice with it. Let me type real quick the accessors using the syntax.
Third
Oops.
flavor.
Yes. And, and flavor. Okay, that's it. So your turn, and I'll let you take care of delicious.
Sorry? Delicious.
I said, please go ahead and take care of delicious.
Delicious. Yes, I am thinking return false if the flavor is licorice, but true for all other flavors.
Right. Yeah. So let's override. Wait, wait, wait. Where are you?
We have to change the,
No, no, not in dessert. In jelly bean.
but in jelly bean we have any delicious method.
Yes. So that's exactly what we have to add. So we're going to create a delicious method here, and the main difference is that now we need a test. We can't just return a value. We have to return uh, actually whether or not it's the flavor. So if the flavor from, and what's that word again? Liquor.
Licorice.
How do you spell? Yeah, how do you spell that?
L uh,
Uh huh.
Licorice. No.
Is that is that
Mm.
it? No. Go.
Can I type? Can I type it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Because I haven't I am licorice.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Um, so if it's equal, it'll return false. If it's not equal, it'll return true,
Yes.
and that's it. So when I call, so when see if I look at it down here, when so puts j dot delicious, right? Um, so this will give us true. I'm not too sure about a pea flavor, but yeah. Oh, wow. Do you see that?
Yeah. Uh,
Syntax error, unexpected N. Expecting keyword end. Now that's really helpful.
so
Is, is there a typo somewhere? Def def end puts j dot delicious. Did I save? Yeah, I guess I had to.
mm,
That's weird. Let me close it and reopen it. Oh wow! So
maybe,
what I'm looking,
maybe we have to
what I'm
change the strings as well.
hold on, don't move. See, well now what I'm seeing, there's an N missing.
Oh yes, that is interesting.
Thank you.
And this one should be like that.
Yes.
Yes. Then now return to
Right. Yes. So, yep. So yeah, that's it. And I guess we could as easily. So now
and
that you've got the word right. Oh, here you go. You're so fast. Okay.
that is false.
Does that make sense?
Yes,
No. Okay. Good. Good. So I think that should take
I
care
I
of.
was a little confused because in the instruction says modify delicious doesn't
Hmm.
that, didn't say define a method of delicious for jelly bean fry.
That's a good point. That's a good point. So the way I think they're thinking is because jelly bean is a subclass of dessert
Yeah,
by nature of inheritance.
exactly.
Everything that you've designed in dessert, jelly bean inherits it. Therefore, when you talk about methods of jelly bean, um, everything you already have in desserts, jelly bean has it as well. So, so you don't have to say add a method to jelly bean. You can say, well, modify it because it's going to inherit it by default. So you're really talking about modifying it. And I agree, it can be confusing at first,
Mhm.
but I think that's how they're thinking. Anyway,
Okay, so can I copy the, the editor? Mm, that's right.
that's it. Okay, let me
Oh,
do it on my side as well. No?
is now my virtual machine, my screen shared or not? Yes. Can you see my screen?
I can see it. Yes.
Okay. So I already saved it, and yes, no failures.
Oh,
All work
well, that's good.
fine.
Let me try it. Let me try on my end. I'm gonna go and go ahead and replace jelly bean. Jelly bean class. Okay. Control save. Let's see what happens on terminal side. Come on, wake up. Oh, zero failures. Isn't that nice when you get everything green and
Yeah,
okay, so this is fantastic. I think that probably concludes
part
part two.
exactly.
So um, what I'm going to do is start the broadcast. So we have a link to that part two. But then what I would also like to do is uh, start a hangout on air, a new one, so we can talk about part three.
Okay.
Um,
Good.
I, I haven't coded anything for part three yet. It's a slightly more complex exercise, and I think it's worth having a discussion around uh, how we want to approach it.
Yeah.
And I've started thinking about that. So, I would like to share some ideas with you.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, I put some stuff in writing. So I scanned, the document, and we can go through scribbles if you'd like.
Yes. Yeah. Yesterday night I read something, and yes, there is a very challenge part at the end of the
Uh-huh.
activity. I think.
Yes. Oh yeah, yeah. I know, and they specifically say that they want a recursive solution. So, yeah, I I, I hear you. Um, let me stop this broadcast, and I'll send you the link as always, and then we can get back together and talk about part three.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So I'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
Okay?
Bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.